Okay, so we're kind of in this interesting little part of Coloane. There's a beautiful yellow house. That's amazing. And this is kind of like a little dog pound. I'll explain all that in a minute. So let's get going and start exploring. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's explore a little bit. So these houses are it's kind of near Coloane, and they're kind of interesting because they're big, really big, and some of them are really beautiful, especially if they put some paint on them. They're gorgeous balconies and things like that. Actually, any one of these, if they had paint, like that yellow one has paint. If this one doesn't have that balcony like this one has, but if it was painted beautifully, like pastel blue or green, it'd be gorgeous. Anyways, I love it if they can paint some of these buildings. Look at that, it just makes such a big difference. That yellow one stands out. So beautiful. The reason I'm walking down this street is because I think we can see the ocean right over here too. By the way, this is kind of a community trash area right here, so they'll recycle. And then over there you can see the water through those trees just slightly. Some boats over there. The reason I'm down here, this big thing right here is from the typhoon. We had a typhoon maybe 5-6 days ago before the weekend, and now it's Tuesday afternoon. So it kind of ripped through, and they've been taking away most of the stuff, but some of it still is here. Now it's turning brown, of course, so it's been here slowly decaying. Okay, so anyways, this one, you can hear some dogs sometimes. If they're doing some construction there. Because some of these ones, they have I heard at least a few different houses down here have, like one of them has like 180 dogs, so they're kind of like, I think they take them from the dog pound and they try to, they just care for dogs quite a bit. So people will do foster dog families, and they'll come down here, and somebody who I work with did this recently, so I was became aware of it. But it's just such a cool little space because it's got all these beautiful houses. You have these beautiful mountain kind of trails things, and oh, okay, actually there's stairwells that go all the way up into the mountains a little bit too. This looks like a little set of rentals or condos, depending on how you view what you'd call those. And I believe we could just do a little loop if we so desired. But I think the main thing I just want to do is just expose the viewers to the fact that this exists down here. So so I don't know if I'll walk all the way through the loop or not. We'll just see what we can see as we're walking around. I just love these trees. When I first got here, there was like tons of these trees everywhere, but then when they had a big typhoon about 3 years ago, they lost quite a few of them. One of them was like a big row of them. Just they all toppled over. There we go. There's the beach down there. You can see the. So that means that all these people have this view. Huh. They must be able to get down there easily enough as well. See how the ocean is right there. Makes you appreciate how beautiful the ocean is and have access to it. Yeah, this is pretty easy to loop around. Let's just see if we can have another access to the ocean again. Okay. Okay, I think there's some backyards in here. It'd be amazing to have backyards. Macau is so dense that that's not really the norm at all, so it's a beautiful balcony right there. Somebody's backyard with swimming pool and balcony. All of these. You got that view. Okay, anyways, this is a little slice of, another slice of Macau done in Coloane. So it has more of a, I think these are all bamboo right there. Now you can see the water. You can also see some kind of rocky outpost kind of thing. Huh. I was gonna go straight back up that way. but it just seems like there's always more stuff to kind of see. Over here's a parking lot, so maybe people will park and be able to go down into that. But I think my goal, that'll be a separate video, I think. My goal is just to capture this little neighborhood kind of thing. I'm gonna walk a little bit this way and then we'll do another video later down by the water. But there's all kinds of stuff in there. Ladder. I kind of want to hear if I can hear these dogs. There's some dogs down there. But the other time I was down here, I was able to hear like hundreds of dogs. I don't know, maybe in the daytime they're kind of more passive, then at nighttime they're more active. Huh. Somebody just, this is all like some kind of sound stage stuff. Sound stage, a scaffolding of some kind. Huh, that looks like abandoned. I never understand why some things in Macau are abandoned. It should all be very resellable. I guess they just don't get the price that they want. They're doing construction here, I guess. So we'll just kind of go up a little bit further and then we'll conclude for this little neighborhood. All these little gated garages. Here's that goes up. This seems kind of like a waste of, there should be something cooler. That too, somebody's little balcony, but it's I guess we might as well show you this whole little neighborhood. I'm not sure the name of it, but it's near Chokvan. So there's Chokvan and Haksa. So a little bit in that neighborhood. And I guess if you're up in those buildings, you'd be able to see the ocean from them as well. And I believe we started over here because that's where that typhoon tree kind of came down. I'm just going to go up a little bit further to the top of it. I like those. Rusty balcony with broken glass that's been sitting there for a long time, and mail in the window that's some of these look like they haven't been taken care of very well, which is a little bit too bad. Okay, so I guess we can end over by this yellow building then. That's a good beginning and ending. I like that one. Nice balcony there. Yeah, that's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Yeah, it looks like this person really takes care of the house. It looks like that kind of goes down like that, and then we'll just kind of come back like this. Now we can view this little neighborhood, whatever it's called. If you know it, let me know. Okay, so we're down on by the water now, and then you can see all these ones up there. That's where we were just at a little while ago. So that's I guess the overlooked Chokvan, this beach right here. So we're gonna do a separate video with the beach, but I definitely wanted to just kind of show you the context of that and what it was overlooking. So it's up on that hill overlooking this beach right here. And this beach will be a separate video.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.